Now let's talk about Astra's API security platform. It is designed to help you discover, scan, and secure every API in your inventory. You can access it by clicking here. As you can see, we can see a risk classification over here about the total endpoints that are discovered from our target and how many have been scanned, how many are pending, how many sensitive information have been reported, public APIs reported, shadow API, orphan API, zombie API, and lastly, schema mismatch. So we are able to see the number of shadow, orphan, and zombie APIs because of something called an Open API specification. So it's very important that we upload the Open API specifications to get started. Only then Astra will be able to analyze your API structure, endpoints, and parameters. Also, to enhance your API's discovery, you can install a traffic connector integration within your infrastructure. This allows us to monitor real time traffic and uncover risks like zombie, shadow, and orphan API. Now, let's go back. So after the risk classification, over here, you can see all the entries, all the endpoints that are present in the target. So you can analyze it based on the risk type, your domain, the current project, the methodology used, and there's also something called a risk score. We are analyzing it based on a risk analysis performed based on algorithms on our backend. There is also, like, once you start a scan, we have a full scan, and there is something called the delta scan. A full scan will scan your entire API inventory, and the delta scan will only scan the new entries that are found. So to mark something as a new entry, you need to go to the entries and you need to click on the three dots here and mark as changed, and this makes it eligible for a delta scan. So that's about it with the API security platform.